morning, everybody. We have a 22 BMW M8 available. This is a flood damaged vehicle we recently purchased. Do a quick walk around and check the damage. So right now, looking at the headlights, they're clean. This is just some condensation because it's early in the morning here. I don't see any visible water line. The body's really clean. It has only a couple hundred miles, I think under 800 miles. The unit does run and drive. See some water here, so I would say about this level here was the water. Some dust. Body's like brand new. We already checked to see if there's any signs of water in the engine. No signs of water in the engine or the filters. We changed the fluids as a precaution. There are some warning lights on. You have airbag light on, SRS light on, traction light on, and the check engine light on, which is probably an indication of some water getting in the interior. So some modules have to be replaced. Maybe some relays and contacts need to be cleaned. But overall, nice car. Basically brand new. Let's take a look under the hood. Like new over here. No signs of corrosion, no signs of rust, no oxidation on the aluminum or steel parts. Everything looks really clean here. So it's all indications that the vehicle was not submerged in water. Very good sign. It's like brand new under here. I don't see any condensation on the windows, and it's pretty cold this morning. Let's take a look inside. All right. We have not detailed this vehicle yet, so I don't see any dust in the pockets here. Seats look clean. There's no smell in here, no foul odor. What I do see here is a perfect visible line, so the water definitely reached there, and you see it on the gas pedal also. So the water level settled right here, which isn't deep. It's about 4 inches. I want to say 4 inches from the floorboard. Got a little corrosion there on the seat tracks, so it definitely wasn't deep. See it here. Very low water line. Seats didn't reach the seats. Good sign. Really nice interior. Looks basically brand new. This is an M8 competition. Again, starts, runs, and drives. Let's take a look at the other side. Really nice vehicle. Looks like somebody pulled the carpet on this side here. No rust in the connectors. Looks good. Definitely wasn't deep. A little corrosion on that bolt there. Definitely was not deep. Super nice car. Make an excellent builder for somebody.